All right, so we got FinViz up, right? This is the main stock screener I use, right? So come over to FinViz screener. And screener basically, we'll touch more into it, but a screener is where you can look at different criteria for certain stocks, right? So usually what a lot of people like to do is come over to maps. And then maps just shows you what stocks is up, what stocks is down for the day. But it's usually show y'all what stocks are up and what stocks are down for the day. So we got like Apple up 1%, Nvidia down 2%, Microsoft down 1%. So if you hold the best companies, you can kind of come here like and get a quick glance of okay, Apple was up today, but Microsoft was down, so I might look for a buy opportunity today, possibly. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good way to look at it. Lilly's up 14. I actually hold this stock. This is actually a drug company, up 14%. My portfolio did good. Today's Thursday or today Friday. Either way, the market was just. Oh, I gotta look at my returns on this. I should show y'all. Let me see. Yep, we up 14.30 on Lilly. Ooh, 14%. I can zoom in. I can zoom in. There we go. That's what I'll do. Something like that. That's Lilly. Oh, 14% right now. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So hey, you just seen it firsthand now. I just showed it to you. Yeah, I own that company. It did wonderful today. So this is a screener. We'll touch more into it, but I just want to let y'all know FinViz. So you can kind of make your bookmarks or whatever you want to do. FinViz is a good place that we use. As far as screener wise, like I said, I use M1 Finance, the app I just showed y'all with the screenshot. That's my investing platform that I personally use.